Hey friends, if you wish to use the voice typing tool on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's very simple. Open the app on which you wish to use this tool. You can even open Notepad, okay? It doesn't matter because Microsoft Word has its own tool, so you might say that I'm using that one. No. So let's clear everything here. Just press Windows plus H and it will open the voice typing tool. You have to click on the mic button and then start speaking. So I'll show you. This is a test assignment. Please see if this is helping. Period. See, it typed quite accurately. I actually like this one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.